there's a way you can even avoid heat at all, just avoid it, because heat, oh my god, it will fry your hair, it will damage your hair. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dami. On this channel we do natural hair commentary and lifestyle. So today we're going to be talking about 5 deadly mistakes that are sabotaging your 4C hair journey. Before we continue this video, thank you so much to my 200 and something subscribers. Thank you so much to everybody that has liked, commented and shared my video. Thank you so much. Now let's get right into the video. Number 1, neglecting your hair after putting in a protective style. So a lot of us are guilty about this. After we put our hair in mini braids, mini twists, or whatever protective style that we choose to, then we are just leaving it like that. We are not doing anything to it. But this is actually damaging your hair, in the sense that your hair can, if you are leaving that protective style in for a long time, your hair can become dry because you're not moisturizing, you're not doing anything. So the best thing to do during protective style is to moisturize your hair and oil your hair. Just make sure that maybe in a week, 2 to 3 times a week, you are moisturizing and you are oiling your hair. Number 2, not having a regular hair maintenance routine. This is a very important point. You, as a natural hair girl, you have to have your own hair maintenance routine that works for you. Like me, every week I make sure I wash my hair, I deep condition, I moisturize, then I protective style. But for you it can be different. It can be every 2 weeks. Just make sure that there's something you're doing regularly to your hair. There's a maintenance you're giving to your hair regularly. Number 3, not trimming your hair. I am guilty. I know I don't trim my hair as often as I should. Now when I say often, I don't mean every week you should be trimming your hair. You can be trimming it maybe once a month, twice a month. But yes, make sure you trim your hair, because the oldest part of our hair is the ends of our hair. That's the oldest part of our hair, and we have to shed that. If not, it's going to lead into split ends and the likes, which can lead to damaging of your hair. Number 4, using too much heat. I have preached this enough. I have preached it over and over again. If there's a way you can even avoid heat at all, just avoid it, because heat, oh my god, it will fry your hair, it will damage your hair. Just imagine, after washing your hair and deep conditioning, okay, you use heat to dry it, fine. Then after that, you want to braid your hair into protective style, you use it to stretch it. Are you not frying the hair like that? And our hair is, I don't want to say it's fragile, because everybody has different hair types, but heat is a no-no for me. It's a no-no, and I feel like we should avoid heat because it's damaging. Number 5, which is the last one, sleeping without a satin bonnet or a satin pillowcase. Now a lot of us are guilty about this. Just putting your hair in protective style is not enough. After protective styling, now you're just carrying that hair like that, putting it on your bed, on your pillow like that, without any protection. Now after protective styling, even if you're not protective styling, if you're leaving your hair out, you could at least put on a satin bonnet or use a satin pillowcase. And if you don't have any of this, you can use a satin scarf, which I feel almost everybody has. Or if you don't have, it's not expensive. Just buy a satin scarf and just wrap that around your hair. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye.